Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a payment link on Square, perfect for selling online without a website. So first things first, type and search Square in Google and click on the first link that pops up right here. So from your Square dashboard, go to the sidebar and click Payment Links. If you don't see it, look under Online Checkout or Online then Cash Out links. It depends also on your version. Next, after you locate the payment links, you're gonna want to create link, then choose what you're selling, a product, service, donation, or custom amount. You can also enter the item name, price, and any extra details. And from here, you can also allow tipping, collect customer info, or even set up recurring payments using the advanced options. After that, you're gonna click on create link and copy the URL. You can send it via text, email, or add it to your social media or website. And that's it. That's how you create the payment link on Square. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more.